Hello guys, welcome to my world of programming. My name is Tumitladi, and this is going to be the focus is going to be on mobile application in Net Maui, specifically license and tips. So right, I'm going to launch the app in the meantime, and I'm going to show you the agenda. So we did cover part 2 of business indicator view, and now I'm going to do connectivity view. I hope it's going to be a single part. Let's see, let's go quickly. So the app has loaded, and what you're gonna do in this page is setup page, right? Before I continue, I'm gonna recommend that you check this YouTube channel of mine. You'll find it helpful. And this one, it's where I'm uploading all the videos. There, I need you to watch them uninterrupted. I'm keeping them short and simple, as you can see. So going back to Visual Studio, what is it that I want to show you? Okay, I'm streaming music right now, and I apologize for the name of my Wi-Fi. All right, but I'm not gonna change it because I find it difficult to use to turn off the Wi-Fi on this simulator. It's difficult. I have to turn the whole Wi-Fi of the host, which is my Mac machine. So, but I want you to pay attention, and I'll come back to that. So let me turn it off. Like I said, I apologize for the name. As I turn it off, I want you to look at what happens to the app. You see, it says internet connectivity lost. Check your internet connectivity and try again. Automatically did that. I'm turning it on. Okay, it's searching, and let's see what happens. And note the color. Come on. There we go. Now the color changed and the message changed. The message is connection found. And don't worry about this one. This I'm still gonna cover in the next video. Right. So you saw what happened. This is a requirement for mobile application. If you are developing a system like mine, License Any Tips, where people are gonna be watching the videos, hearing the stories of those who have already obtained their driver's license, what was their journey. I need this to constantly happen on the internet with the internet connectivity. I'm sorry. So meaning that that's for me to check. So how do you implement that? Number one, what is that view? So let me quickly go to content views. I have connectivity view. So there is a content page. This will be one of them, which is a setup page. Here it is, right? This is a full page. Now I can have a content view, which is a partial type of a page. That's what you saw appearing at the bottom. So this is everything about it. The container is a content view. I'm using a Skia. Skia Sharp is just a handy, helpful like a control that team of Skia helps us with. And then the background color of that is gonna be this one. If you've watched these videos on the agenda, part 1, part 2 of business indicator, you would then understand when I explain in detail what this guy is all about. So in a nutshell, it's using absolute layout, and we only have the main property, which is it's versatile, and that it's bindable. There's a reason why it's bindable. Before I continue, let me show you the code behind of this content view. Nothing is there. Good. So it's bindable. How does it know that it's bindable? I'll show you in a second. Good. So please note that the name of the property that it's binding to. This property is visible. This is connectivity view. No, connectivity underscore is visible. It's very important. Okay. I want you to also pay attention to something, which is the stack layout. It's a container that has vertical options to end, meaning that we are moving the contents all the way down. Horizontal options, I want that to fill and expand, that we are filling from the top to the bottom, right? And then this stack layout, the inner stack layout, the orientation is gonna go from top to bottom, like top to bottom. And then I have this guy that shows that beautiful animation of the connectivity, right? I'll come back to it. And then I have this one also, that two of them, because it was a tricky theme, this one. It's not as easy and the same as as the basic indicator. Please watch those videos. Then I have this label. The label is what will be the container for the message. Also, I'm binding message underscore connectivity, and please note this. I'll show them in a second where they come from, right? So this one, it's been okay, I'm not gonna show this okay, but what's interesting is the color of the message. So I'm binding to another property called text color connectivity, because you saw red and green. Also, the first one, which is green, the green means that it's success. It was able to find the connectivity. Red means that we lost the connectivity, so I'm swapping them. Please note that. Good. So I have this guy. So let's go back to this page called setup page. Content pages, setup page. Here it is. So like with base indicator on our previous videos, I have a show connectivity. This is me saying, listen, we need to go to the application, which is the mobile application. In there, you find a folder called views, of which here it is. You find a folder called content views, of which that is. Inside, we need to look for what? Show connectivity, and this will help us to locate that. Right, let me scroll all the way to the bottom. So for connectivity, that guy will help us to locate who? Connectivity view, which is the name of the class, the one we just looked at. Here it is. And then there we are only accessing one property, which is visible, and we are binding connectivity underscore is visible. So where does this guy come from? That you ask the question. The code behind of a setup page, here it is that I'm referencing the setup view model, public static setup view model, and then I'm using constructor to inject it. We are using dependency injection here. So this guy, when you click, you don't even have to click the button. That's the beauty of it. This guy automatically has access. Let's go to the view model, set up a view model class. So here it is. Don't worry about this command, right? It's when you click read more information, then this will be triggered. But what I care about is the class inherits from the base view model. So let's quickly go to the base view model. The base view model has a property called connectivity underscore is visible. By default, it's false, and the type is boolean. At the same time, it has a message underscore connectivity property of type string. Then we have those two other unique properties, right? The one that will hold, which is connectivity underscore green underscore is visible. By default, it's false of type boolean, and the one that's red, meaning that, let me do it again. Turn off my Wi-Fi. Give it a couple of seconds. The app was supposed to have picked this up. Come on, what happened? Okay, let me turn it back on. Come on, you were supposed to do the magic. Come on. Okay, let me quickly restart it, relaunch it again. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So these are the properties that are on the base view model for code reusability, meaning that all other pages will make use of connectivity view, right? So let me do that again quickly. There we go. Do you see now what happened? Good. Turn it on. So the color red, it changes this guy. Do you see that guy? See that one? And I should pick it up. Come on, pick it up. Okay, it encountered a challenge, but it's okay. Listen, I'm gonna do part 2 of this. All of this I can teach you for 25 Rand per session. That session is gonna be a full hour, any day from Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. Thank you.